In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete items in Milanote. Whether it's a note, image, or board element, we're going to show you a quick and easy way to do it. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and go to the board where it contains the elements or the items that you want to delete. For example, I have multiple items here that I wanted. Okay, so it's either select the item that you want to delete. Okay, so for example, the white line makes it show that it's already selected. Right click on it and there is an option that says delete. Okay, it's gone. Again, select the item and then right click. There is an option that says backspace. We're going to do that. Boom, that's deleted. Select the item again and press the delete button. It's super simple, right? Now, for example, I have accidentally deleted the items, which I don't want to do it. All I have to do is go to the bottom left corner. Okay, don't worry, we have got you, all right? Because Milanote keeps the deleted items in the trash. I want you to go here, and as you can see, these are going to be the recent deleted items. And all I have to do is drag it and drop it back on the board since you have accidentally deleted all of them, all right? And basically, that's it for today's video on how to delete items in Milanote. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.